Dude, look at me, bro. Dude, talk about fucking artillery, bro. I would not want to be around artillery. Some fucking lightning bolts, 3 of them were like, bam, bam, bam. Fucking, I was ducking at the gas pump, like, oh shit. Fucking, that's like a fucking artillery going off, bro. It's like, flashbang! I was like, dude! Fuck, look at me, I'm fucking soaked, dude. Fucking river rat.
Let's get the fuck out of here, man.
Fucking, that shit was loud, bro. Fucking that times 10, bro, right across the street from the gas station. I was like, holy shit. Dude, tell me you got a pair of basketball shorts I can wear for you.
Yeah, I got something for you, man. Come on, buddy.
My God.
Come on, let's go. Scram.